Hugsy Bug rhymes.
Hazel held a spoon, Hiccup what's beneath the moon. Not too late, not too soon, she hit hop near the flower dune. Hazel hiccup and a bounce made the daisies all announce. Here comes Hazel full of cheer with happy hops that disappear. Hazel Hedgehog tumbled wide, with every hiccup she would glide. She'd hiccup near the buzzing bees, and hopped up high above the trees. Twirling leaves in curly flight followed Hazel left and right. Her hops and hiccups danced around like tinkle notes upon the ground. Hazel found a patch of shade by a giggle vine cascade. She sipped some tea from petal cup, and hiccup once, then curled right up. Her hiccups faded with the sun, her hopping game was gently done. Hazel Hedgehog closed her eyes with softest dreams and sleepy sighs.
Hugsy Bug rhymes.
Daisy Donkey grabbed her chalk and doodled rainbows on the walk. She smiled wide and gave a wink, then painted clouds in colored pink. Daisy Donkey drew a star, then added wheels to a cookie jar. She scribbled flowers, sun and bees, and even smiling apple trees. Bunnies came with fluffy tails and helped her draw on fences' rails. Daisy laughed and clapped her hoof while drawing raindrops on the roof. Daisy Donkey made a song as she doodled all day long. Each little line became a dance of sunshine shoes and smiling plants. The butterflies flew low and high around the colors she let fly. Daisy's chalk left happy cheer in every line from ear to ear. As the evening gently glowed, Daisy watched her rainbow road. She yawned and curled in hay so sweet, with doodled dreams beneath her feet.
Hugsy Bug rhymes.
Giggle the parrot flapped his wings with paintbrush tips and ribbon strings. He squawked a tune and waved his tail to start the paint box parade trail. Giggle painted clouds with green and skies with dots of tangerine. He fluttered through a lavender breeze above the fields and maple trees. Giggle the parrot led the line with painted flags and fruity shine. He painted hats on marching ants and rainbow coats on leafy plants. Wore dots and frogs wore stars. Trees had hearts and candy bars. Giggle laughed and twirled his brush, spreading color in a rush. Everywhere his feathers flew, new colors burst and blossoms grew. Giggle the parrot dipped and flew over pastures bright and new. When the final stripe was done, Pickle flapped beneath the sun. He perched upon a painted vine and hummed a rainbow lullaby line.
Hugsy Bug rhymes.
Breezy Bunny wore her hat, made of bubbles big and flat. She bounced across the meadow green, the bubbliest bunny ever seen. Breezy Bunny hopped with grace, bubbles floated round her face, each one shining in the sky like soft balloons that bounced up high. She danced upon a clover mat while blowing bubbles round her hat. Breezy giggles spun and twirled with foamy hats in every whirl. Breezy Bunny called her crew with bubble shoes and hats like new. They marched and hopped in bouncing rows with tiny bubbles on their toes. Breezy Bunny sang a song as bubbles bounced and rolled along. They landed soft on flower stems like tiny glowing giggly gems. When the sun began to set, Breezy's hat was foamy wet. She laughed and said that was a bop, then cuddled up for a bubbly stop.
Hugsy Bug rhymes.
Noodle fluffed bed, softest leaves beneath her head. Clouds above began to float. In her nest she built by rope. Nina yawned a tiny peep, wrapped in vines that hugged her sleep. Bumblebees hummed lullabies near the birds and butterflies' eyes. Noodle tucked her tail while the breeze told a sleepy tale. She rocked so gently side to side in her nest where dreams could hide. Sunlight shimmered through the tree, dancing soft on Nina's knee. She closed her eyes with happy cheer, knowing peaceful sleep was near. Nina dreamed of candy streams, bouncing through her naptime dreams, where pillows grew on feathered trees and lullabies rode on the breeze.